Hi, it's Terry from D-Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy update to a Supro S-6606 amplifier to give you overall better gain and tone characteristics. Here we go. This is a test of the Supro amplifier in its stock configuration. We're going to be taking a look at gain. My input is an audio generator set at 1000 Hertz. We've got a scope and a dummy load across the speaker leads. I'm just going to bring up the volume. We'll take a look at the scope. There's full volume. You can see just a little bit of breakup. Now we're going to add the modification to the preamp section and see what that does to our gain. Alright, this is retest of the Supro amplifier after modification to the preamp. That consisted of changing the 0.005 cap to 0.02 and adding a 1.5K with a 22 microfarad cap like Fender does. I'm going to bring up the volume. Let's take a look at the gain. You can see we have quite a bit more gain, and it will flat top and give the customer the distortion that he wants. Let's take a listen to it on my looper. Alright, same test as before using my looper, but now we have the more Fenderish front end on the 12AX7 preamp. Let's take a listen to it. You see, now we can achieve some breakup, whereas we couldn't before. And it has a better bass response than before with the different coupling cap going to the 6v6. So there we go. Quick modification for the Supro.